Hi, this is Amir Anzur. I'm Chief Marketing Officer at Pakistan Software Export Board, where we run the brand Tech Destination Pakistan. Today I have a really special guest, Sufyan Imtiaz, who runs a go-to-market agency. We're going to find out what go-to-market is, how do you get business-to-business clients, and I think you guys will really find this useful in your businesses when you try to grow them, because at the end of the day, you don't have a business if you don't have clients. And in order to get clients, you need to be a good marketer and a salesperson. So, Sufyan, thanks for being on. So just explain to us, what is go-to-market?
First of all, Amir, thank you very much for bringing me here. Go-to-market is like, basically go-to-market used to be a 3 different departments: sales, marketing, and ops, that didn't talk to each other. A GTM expert can build a system where each tool talk to each other with the help of AI, automation, and then this way they do have the data enrichment, they do have the complete outbound and CRM automation as well with the help of AI automation, and go-to-market can work with the help of AI and tooling at the fraction cost of the rest of the SDR.
So go-to-market means that you specialize in SaaS or software as a service, right?
Basically, I specialize in go-to-market for SaaS in agencies.
In agencies. So explain what an agency is, what type of agency?
Agencies mean like a marketing agency need a B2B clients. So here I do have the specialization. SaaS mean like a software as a service who need clients, where because B2B SaaS, not B2C, and they need a clients where I do have the specialization as well.
Okay, so go to market means bringing that product and service to the market. So someone has to learn how best to do that, right?
Yeah. Definitely.
And how do you? What is an example? Let's say I have a software that I run. It's an email marketing software for a competitor to MailChimp, for instance, right? So there's one called Mumra from Pakistan that does it, but let's just take that as an example. How would you help me get my first 100 customers?
So yeah, that's a great question. So the very first way is you need to build your ICP, and before building ICP, you need to build your ECP. ECP means early customer profile.
And ICP?
ICP means ideal customer profile. Who will be your early customer profile? A lot of time people call a beta user. Initially, you need a beta user. From the beta user, when you have a good user base like 100 customer who will test your product, after that, then you need to focus on your ICP. You don't need to focus on one ICP. This is the main thing. When you have a good ECP and ICP, then you need to focus on segmentation side. Either you are going to do a horizontal marketing, or your product is on horizontal way or a vertical way. A vertical way mean like you have an email marketing tool specifically for maybe healthcare. Okay, then you need to focus on healthcare. After that, then you need to focus on ECP, early customer profile, and then you need to focus on ICP. This way you are able to know that who is your ideal customer profile and where you need to do your email marketing, maybe content marketing, maybe email marketing, maybe SEO, what exactly channel you want to do. And this is how you need to start your initial beta user for your product.
So let's talk about getting my first 10 customers using the software. Should they be paid or free, or?
You don't need to focus on paid side initially. You need to utilize your own network, maybe from LinkedIn, maybe from Facebook, maybe from Instagram for your initial 10 user who will provide a feedback. But if you have a paid user will provide you a better feedback as compared to the free user. So I prefer paid user.
Okay. So how do I target? So you're saying that I should use my own network?
Yes.
To get the first 10. First 100 might be a little bit more difficult to reach out, but I can go to my WhatsApp groups of friends and family and say, this is my software. Please, can you give it a try? This is the objective of it, right?
So yeah, this is the one way. Okay. The second way is like you build your MVP. After MVP, you utilize your LinkedIn and maybe Facebook, maybe your WhatsApp group, where you provide your product link and small intro. After that, your product should be, as per my preferences, okay, should be a paid product. And whenever you got some signups, maybe from 100 people you got 20 sign up. From 20 sign up, then you will get a positive feedback from customer. because those customers are paid customer, not a free user can provide you a good feedback, but you are not able to fix your product issue. But if you have a paid user, then definitely you are able to fix your product issue as well before launching a product in the main market, on Product Hunt, maybe on any channel.
Okay, so Product Hunt, can you talk about what
Product
that is?
Hunt is a marketplace where you list your product and people will do the upvote and downvote and the comment as well on your product. If you go to the upvote side, it means people are liking your product, so definitely you will get more reach.
And they do that for free as volunteers, or?
Yeah. The Product Hunt is a free right now.
Okay, and so what are some tools that a go-to-market engineer like yourself uses?
I use a lot of tools, as an example, Clay, Cloud Code. Clay is a basically data enrichment tool site. Cloud Code is a automation site. Then Init, Smart Lead for the email sending instantly. Hayrish, these are the small tools that I am using on a daily basis.
So can you talk about what Clay does in a bit more detail?
Clay is a brain between input versus output. Input mean like you provide a list of prospect, like maybe you have 10,000 prospect leads, and you provide the input inside Clay. With the help of Clay, you are able to do a data enrichment. Data enrichment mean like you are able to find signals about the company. Maybe if your product is related to, as an example, you have a staff augmentation agency. You need to find signal about who is posting job related, job. Then you need to reach out to those people. With the help of Clay and some third-party scraper, you integrate, and then you are able to find the signal. Then with the help of waterfall enrichment, you are able to find the triple verified email addresses. And then output mean like you have a good message market, and then you have a complete verified data with the help of signal, and you are able to push data to maybe any sending tool like Smart Lead, maybe instantly, or maybe Hayrish, based on your campaign strategy, maybe GTM strategy.
Okay, and then how can you use Claude?
Claude is an automation tool. Okay, you are able to use Claude with two way. One is API key, and one is the subscription model, and you are able to automate a lot of stuff. You are able to do automation on sending data from Clay to any sending tool. You are able to clean the data. You are able to write the Python custom script for automation side. You are able to write the code and build an agent as well in Init and with the help of Claude. For as an example, without Claude, people are doing manual work. After Claude Code basically. After Claude, you are able to automate the complete stuff of your work up to 70%.
Wow. Okay, this is great. And how do you keep learning about the best strategies for go-to-market?
On YouTube, on Google, and some newsletter as well, and some international network I do have, where on a weekly basis we do have a call where we share GTM strategy to each other to learn in a best way. And the best way is to learn by implementing everything.
Amazing. And how have you gone about getting your own clients for your own GTMValley.com?
Inbound clients, because I am creating a content on LinkedIn and I am sharing a lot of value, and I do have a network in Pakistan and international where a lot of time people are referring clients to me. This is how I am getting clients.
Okay. And you've been working with European and American clients as well?
Yes.
And what's the difference between a European and an American client? Can you talk about the culture and what the differences are?
American clients are very cool clients as compared to the European side. I am not pointing out to anybody here because European clients are also good, but they are not paying as compared to the American client. American client only focus on the result side, but European client focus on people side. They want to manage you, not the work. So this is different that I have faced so far.
Wow. Okay. And you're also using GTM Valley within Pakistan?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have clients. What type of clients do you have, and how do you help them?
I have in healthcare sector and in agency sector as well. Healthcare, like a medical billing sites where I am helping them, because I do have the billing experience, so that's why I know this niche. And in marketing side, I do have some Amazon agencies where I am helping.
Wow. And what's the biggest mistake software as a service founders make when they're bringing their software to
that's
market?
A great question. Basically, they build a list and they write a copy and blasting the email campaigns as an outbound. This is a very big mistake as compared to what they can do. They build a list, they enrich the data and find signals about their ICP. Okay, if they have a clear ICP, if they don't have the clear ICP, then definitely they need to build their ICP. and from 10,000 maybe 200 people are interested who are able to buy their product, and they need to find a signal. For example, someone is posting on LinkedIn about any email marketing tool that they are facing this type of the problem. Maybe they have some bug in their tool. So this is the right time to reach out to any third party tool who is also an email sending tool, to reach out to this user that you are facing this problem, and we have fixed this in our tool, and they are able to pick their services as well. Same they need to do as compared to blasting the campaign, they need to find signal on Capterra, G2. They need to go over there and find negative review and reach out to those users to pitch them their product.
Okay. And how do you build an ICP? Remind me again, unique customer profile. What does it stand for again?
Ideal customer profile.
Yeah. Okay.
So before ideal customer profile, we need earlier customer profile. Yeah. Okay. Once you have earlier customer profile, you know who is your best customer. Those are your ICP. After getting those customers, then you need to find a lot of people. Maybe you need to build your complete TAM related to the specific person, specific ECP who is already using your tool. Then you need to build your list and scrap the data and enrich the data and find the signals to reach out them.
And ECP, because a lot of people watching are probably starting out, you come up with a hypothesis that this is what the market needs and this is who my target audience should be. And should you have one ECP or multiple, so you think, oh, Fatima is age 24, she's working in marketing based in New York, and we need to target people like Fatima. Or you say, John lives in London, he's 48 years old, he runs a business. Is that how you do an ECP or ICP?
No, basically these are the old methods that people was doing. You should have multiple ECP and multiple ICP because it's a testing game. Where you get result, then you need to fine tune in a good way. For example, you have a SaaS product for in B2B niche related to the outbound side. Okay, so your customer are from 20 year to maybe up to 60-year-old people as well, because you need to reach out to SDR.
What's an SDR?
Sales development representative. Okay, you need to reach out to the review ops person, GTM engineer, sales manager, okay, and review ops manager, VP of sale as well. These are your customer. Yeah, okay, but when we call about VP, those are the big firms, not a small firm. VP comes after maybe 100 employee. But if you initially focus on one thing, like a simple one ECP within a 50 limits of the employee rank of the company, and in a vertical way, like you are reaching out, you have a dev tool as an example, and what dev tool can does, maybe you are analyzing a code quality with the help of AI, because nowadays 80% of the code writing with Claude and GPT as well, and your primary user are developer and the engineer. So what you can do, you need to fine tune about 1 to 50 size employees company in dev tool niche and try to scrap the data and find the signal about they are writing code with the help of AI or not. This is your ECP. After you run the campaign and you get some good results, okay, then you know that who is your user, who is providing feedback. Those are your ICP. This is the ICP number 1. Okay, the same way you need to find other niches, and in other way, in like maybe you need to increase your employee size range, maybe you need to increase your department, something else, then you need to test the campaign again. Then you need to fine tune about the ICP number 2, because you don't need to focus on one ICP. If you focus on one ICP, definitely you are bringing all eggs in one basket, so you don't need to do this one.
And if you are an entrepreneur, what's the one thing you should focus on in improving your sales?
I need to master one channel. For example, if I am doing SEO, definitely I need to focus on SEO only right now. Okay, if I am doing outbound, I need to focus on only outbound. When I master the one channel where my results, I am getting a lot of results, then I need to improve this channel, maximum effort. After that, then I need to switch to the second channel. The same method I need to apply on second channel, then I need to move on third channel. Founder are making a mistake right now. They are using maybe 2 week outbound, 1 month SEO, then 1 month Google ads, maybe FB ad the end they are telling, oh, we are failed, this business is not for us. But this is the biggest mistake that they are doing right now.
Okay, and what is the future of sales look like in the next 2 to 3 years with AI coming on board, etc.? What advice do you have?
So 80% of the sales time will be reduced because a lot of AI agents will help regarding account researching, getting the data, fetching the signals. Sales representative only can talk with the human if you have a sales-led motion of your product. Because right now 80% of the time human is spending on researching about the company, but maybe within 6 months an agentic AI agent will help and reduce the time.
Okay, excellent. So Sufyan, just tell us a bit about yourself. How did you go about founding GTMValley.com? How did you get into this business?
So basically I started my career back in 2021. On that time I was doing Amazon FBA PL, private label business, and that was a big boom in Pakistan as well and international. But I shifted into the business formation side where I was doing manual DM on Facebook and Instagram. But on that time I wasn't aware that I am doing a business development, because I am generating the leads, I am developing the business, because that's it. After that I shifted after the AI I shifted into the AI era and started utilizing tool, and then I found my company with different venture, not the GTM Valley, because GTM Valley is my recently venture after improving myself with the help of AI and the latest tooling. And this is how I started my venture, and right now I am here in front of you.
Okay, excellent. So Sufyan, just tell us if people want to follow you or first tell us your last bit of advice for anyone watching, and then tell us how they can connect with you and your company.
My advice is if you are a freelancer, you need to focus on one thing at a time. For example, you don't need to buy luxurious car, you don't need to buy any extra tooling stuff. What you need to do, you need to build your team and you need to master your skill. After that you need to focus on not only on Upwork and Fiverr side, you need to focus on LinkedIn side, outbound side, and the SEO side as well. And you need to build client base. Whenever you have a client base, then you need to reinvest in your business instead of spending in your luxurious things. If you master of the reinvesting in your business with the help with maybe 1 year or 2 year, with the help of compounding, you are able to build your 7-figure business while living in Pakistan.
Amazing. So people can make 7 figures, which is over $1 million.
Yeah.
You think sitting in Pakistan, you've met those people, you know examples of people doing that from here.
Yes, I met those people who is not making only 7 figure but making 8 figure as well.
Wow.
And the best way is for reaching out to the 7 figure, you just need about 25 to 30 clients with $3,000 each on MRR. Up to $90,000 a month, and multiply by 12 ARR equal to $1 million. So it's an easy job. It's not a big, if you do in a proper way with the help of compounding.
Wow. And you also help people set up companies in the US, etc. as well.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit about that? So if I'm a regular Pakistani person, how and why would I set up a company in the US?
Okay, so why you need to set up this is a great question, because you live in Pakistan, you don't have any banking channel, okay, and your international clients are not able to send money in Pakistan. They are only able to send money in your US company. Okay, so the best benefit is you have a banking channel. Definitely you don't have a physical bank account just like JP Morgan and Bank of America. That is possible, but isn't possible in a smoother way, but it's a very hard way. You are able to open your virtual bank account. You do have the EIN number, you do have your company, and you have a good representation in front of the customer who is in US. They will trust you. It's a trust game, definitely. And banking channel, and you are able to open your Stripe account as well. So people pay money in US and you are while living in Pakistan. So you are able to transfer money from US to Pakistan in a very easy way.
Okay, excellent. So how can people connect to you and your company?
And they will reach out on me linkedin.com/howigtm. HOWIGTM. This is my LinkedIn handle. They are able to reach out to me over there.
Okay, thank you so much, Sufyan, for your time, and we appreciate all the knowledge you've passed on to our viewers.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This has been Amir Anzur, Chief Marketing Officer at Pakistan Software Export Board, And we are keen to bring in guests like Sufyan, who can teach you something about your business, because at the end of the day, you need to get more sales, and we're here to help you do just that. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next episode.